If you feel self-conscious about the darkness of your private parts or want to achieve an even tone, these remedies can be helpful. Aloe vera gel. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from a leaf and apply it to the intimate area. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the gel to penetrate the skin. Rinse with water and repeat daily for best results. Lemon juice and yogurt scrub. Mix fresh lemon juice with plain yogurt to form a paste. Apply the paste to the desired area and gently scrub for a few minutes. Lemon juice acts as a natural bleach, while yogurt helps soothe and nourish the skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Cucumber and rose water toner. Blend a fresh cucumber and strain the juice. Add equal parts of rose water to the cucumber juice and mix well. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and refrigerate for a few hours. Spray the toner onto a cotton pad and gently apply to the intimate area. Use it daily after showering for refreshing and lightening effects. Papaya pulp. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which can help lighten the skin. Mash a ripe papaya and apply the pulp to the private area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Repeat this remedy a few times a week. Yogurt and honey mask. Mix equal parts of plain yogurt and honey to form a paste. Apply this mixture to the private area and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before washing off with water. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help lighten the skin, while honey has moisturizing properties.